Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: valid license, compatible GPU, and georeference data. Open Mapp 3D and create a new project using your target coordinate system. Once done, import the base map or GeoTIFF, check its alignment, and set units to meters or feet as required. Make sure to enable relevant layers and lock their order to prevent accidental edits. This gets you into the workspace fast, so you can focus on modeling rather than setup. You now construct the core geometry. Draw center lines with polyline tools and smooth transitions using splines. While drawing, enable snapping and constraints so nodes align precisely. Assign elevations or attributes to each vertex to build a true 3D model. Once the geometry is complete, generate surfaces from contours or break lines, and create tie points to stitch datasets together. Make sure to run topology validation to catch gaps or overlaps before proceeding to analysis or export. You finish by running final checks, validate topology, simplify meshes where needed, and apply textures or semantic labels for clarity. Export your finished model to the required format such as DWG for CAD, OBJ for visualization, or GIS-compatible formats for analysis. Once exported, open the result in the target viewer to confirm integrity. If you encounter misaligned features or missing geometry, immediately rerun validation, repair topology errors, and re-export. That single troubleshooting loop resolves most final issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.